Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. What's up? They overflowed. They overfilled. She overfilled my drink. Now it's all dripping down the sides. That, that's in my. That's gonna be in my cup holder. I put a paper towel in it, but still. All right. So, this video is going to be just never mind, dog. Just it's the car chronicles. All right. Today I'm going to be trying the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Now I know I might be late. I know I am very late. I'm late, but whatever. I work on my time. Okay, I don't move on nobody else's time. I move on my time. And maybe there's some people out there who still haven't tried it. Maybe there's some people out there who just want to see my opinion on it. And I'm gonna share it. So, let me see. I'm gonna try to get a thumbnail. I'm gonna have to see if I can find like extra pictures and stuff like to put on them because this is basic AF. But alright, let me see. Is that gonna show backwards? I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyways, I'm gonna be trying it, and I already got into the fries. I don't know. It's between Popeyes and oh my gosh! I hope that I wasn't hearing music in the background, copyright stuff. I'll just put some music in the background. Itchy. Yeah, it's between Popeyes and Checkers. I don't know who has the best. I can't decide. They kind of taste kind of the same. They both that like seasoned flavor. But anyways, I'm gonna dig on in. Of course, I've had the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. I've had the chicken sandwich even from McDonald's, but I don't think it was spicy. It was just a chicken sandwich. Yeah, but it was good. I get. Of course, Chick-fil-A is the best for me. But I just kind of stopped eating it because I don't want to say like, TMI, but I don't want to, give too much information, but that stuff don't sit with me right. Let's just say that. There you go. It don't sit with me right. So if you saw my whole situation right here, I apologize. So from afar, it looks cool. Up close, you could clearly tell. But I mostly went ahead with it. I just don't feel like, doing anything to blend it or like taking my hair out, whatever I would have to do to make this thing look real. It's not worth it. I'll just rather wear a hat. Oh, okay, so here it is. I love Popeye's chicken. It's so crispy. Okay, so why make this dramatic? What does it have? It have some salt, some type of sauce on there. Yeah, the sauce is spicy. So is the chicken spicy or just the sauce spicy? Chicken probably spicy too because they got spicy chicken. Anyway, and it has pickles on it. I wish it had lettuce on it. Okay, so the sauce is on both sides, and I wish I had cheese. But anyway, let go. Let's see. I got a text. I'm gonna read the text. So, I mean, it is good crap. Like, the bread is good. I really got like a lot of crispiness. So let's see. I'm gonna try to get some actual meat. And not eat the whole pickle. That's a fresh pickle too. I mean, like, you know. Anyway. This is good. It's spicy. Duh. But I like spicy stuff. It just don't sit with me right. So I'm gonna regret this later, but this is bomb. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. This might have like Chick-fil-A beat. It's just so crispy. It's just so crispy. And Chick-fil-A is crispy too, but this is like crispy. I know I look real fat right now. I feel like when I look at this, and when I edit this, I'm gonna look real fat. I know I'm probably like looking at the sandwich a whole lot more than I'm looking at the camera. Whatever. I'm hungry. I ain't eat a lot today. Anyway, this is good. And the pickle is like, it's not like that jar pickle. It's like, it is like a fresh pickle. I don't know if that makes any sense. Whew. I don't know. I wish I had the Chick-fil-A sandwich like side by side. I should have did it that way, but I don't know what Chick-fil-A sandwich tastes like. But I wish I could have had it like side by side to like. But that's good. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. Come on here. Man, people creep me out. I'm just a scary ass person. It's juicy. I don't want Chick-fil-A being juicy. And look, this is bomb by itself. If I got a Chick-fil-A sandwich without, because I usually get the spicy deluxe, and I get the deluxe comes with bacon. I don't remember. Anyway, you know, it's bacon on there, and you know, lettuce and cheese. This is just plain. This is just good old chicken and pickles and sauce, and I don't feel like I'm like missing lettuce and bacon and everything. But if I did have it, oh my goodness, this would just be fire. I would have to like take it home and experiment with it and like add my own bacon or something, because I don't think Popeyes has bacon. But this right here is good. I feel it. I feel it hitting my insides. I've been doing good. Well, I've been trying to do good with eating, at least for the most part at work. Like, we have a cafeteria and we can order our food, and they got boneless wings and burgers and Philly cheesesteaks and all of that. And they also have like healthier options, like a healthier menu too. But I always go for you know, the boneless wings, or a burger. And lately I was just and fries. And lately I've been getting a wrap. It's a crispy chicken. It's a crispy chicken wrap. Spicy crispy chicken wrap. All right, it got lettuce and some type of sauce and all that other stuff. But and fries. But it's not the best. However, it's a healthier option. All right, and if I do snack, I try to snack on like I ain't even go. This is look. I'm not on like a weight loss journey or anything, because if I put myself in diet mode, like if I tell myself you're on a diet, I'm going to fall off, because I'm just like, I'm gonna go strong for like a week or two, and then my brain is just gonna be like, oh, you did good. Let's eat half the McDonald's menu. So it's better for me to do this in moderation, and I do well with not snacking on bad stuff too much and stuff like that. However, at work it makes it kind of a little more difficult. So, but the goal is at least to try and eat a little, at least more healthier than you eat bad, if that makes sense. Anyway, back to this chicken sandwich. This damn juicy, man. This is good. It's so good. While I got y'all here, because like I said, talking to y'all is talking is therapeutic for me right now. I didn't do much today. If anybody was wondering how my day went, I didn't do much today. I went to work. I was on time for work. I was actually a little early. Yeah, a little early. And I got a lot of my work done. Let's just say a situation that I was in, I am no longer in anymore. So there's a little more peace in my workspace. And then I got off and made a store run. And I went to go chill with my friend, and then I came back home. I'm sitting here thinking about the word I just used, because I think I have a boyfriend, but I don't know, y'all. I told him he was my boyfriend. I told him he was mine, and he didn't say he wasn't. Okay? So, and I told him he was mine again, in his face. And he said, okay. You will never see him on this channel, though, ever. So that just started here and ended there. But yeah, and I don't say that because like I don't want him to be on here. I don't think he will ever be on here. But but and not because he wouldn't be like supportive of anything, because I don't know if that'd be his thing. Anyway, Yeah, I don't have much to talk about. Today was a basic day. This was the highlight. Either seeing my boyfriend or this. I don't know. I'm gonna contemplate. Comment below what y'all think the highlight of my day was. What is y'all? My battery. I don't know, y'all. It's a black speckle of something, y'all. And I got this from a sandwich in the hood. I got the sandwich from Popeyes in the hood. So I don't know what the black speckle is, y'all. Why would it? Y'all, where did it go? No, I'm gonna have to throw it away. No, where did it go? Yo, there's no. Somebody's right. There's no other black speckle in here, yo. No other black speckle. No, it wasn't a pickle, yo. Y'all, I don't know what the black speckle was. So, y'all, I ain't gonna hold on. I'm still gonna eat the sandwich. I don't know what the fuck it was. It didn't look like a mouse turd. Didn't look like a bug. I don't know what it was, but I'm just gonna leave it alone. You know? It's not like they hand make this. Ain't none of my business. It's none of my business. It didn't change the taste. It's not a whole, it's not whatever it is. It's only a piece of it and not the whole of it. That is scaring me, man. Making me nervous. Like, can you see him? Don't, you can't do stuff like that. I don't lock my doors. I don't lock my doors. People are gonna be like, bitch, you gotta lock your doors. Wait. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. I'm just thinking about all types of captions to put for this video. All types of what do you call it? Clickbait. I found a bug in my food. Dude tried to rob me. Okay. Well, that's it. That's it right there. I'm gonna finish this. Y'all can judge me if y'all want to. I paid like $7 for all this. No. So, yeah, if you like this video, thumbs up. And comment below what more you would like to see from me. Subscribe. I'm doing this like I'm gonna have something right here. I'm not that advanced yet. Calm down. Hold up. Just wait a minute. I'm gonna get the quality of my videos and stuff will get better the better my life gets right now. So, for real. But once I get settled in my place and I'm in a calmer space to sit and edit and give the quality video that I want to give and edit, the way that I want to. Right now, y'all just gonna get this raw. Y'all gonna always get raw, but y'all gonna get the raw right now. Yeah, so yeah, subscribe, thumbs up this video, comment below what more you would like to see. Did I mention subscribe? Okay, so all right. Peace.